Welcome friends, do like my video or subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Today I will tell you how to use a mail merge option in MS Word. And there are basically, you can say, 2 or 3 steps involved in doing that. First you have to open an MS Office letter you want to send the candidates. Then go to mailing menu at the above toolbar. Then first you have to create a database of candidates which you like to send letter. Let's say 10, 20 or 30 people. Same letter but different names, addresses. I have already designed a database by using Excel. So let's see a database example. Here it is. First one is the name, last name, designation. If you want to add designation, let's say you want to send a letter internal staff officers, and then address through line, etc., city and cell number. In first name, last name, okay, designation, first candidate, second, third, and here is fourth candidate. So I have designed only 4. You can add 20, 30, 50, whatever your requirement is. So insert a serial number at the front of the first column. So copy, and here we go. Okay, let's number. Okay, just a minute. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, there are 4 different candidates with different names, different addresses and cell number. Here is my database. Save it, close it. Then open your letter. This is the letter I want to send. Actually a job offer letter. I want to send different candidates. Let's say 4, 5, 6 or even more. Or you can send an internal office memo to different people. First you have to design the letter. Okay, now we have to select the database first. Okay, go to mailing, edit source, so new list. Now I have already designed a database, so I will use it. Click on it. Okay, where you have saved. Okay, here it is, my database. I opened it. Now it's asking me how you can add 2 3 different sheets, so I click OK. After clicking OK, it is attached. Now edit the recipients. So if you want to send 2, 3 or more people, you can edit or delete any person by unchecking this candidate will not receive this letter. You can also sort your data, filter it if you want to filter, and there are some other options. You can use them to arrange the data. After selecting the candidates, I will click on my OK button. Now I have chosen 3 candidates. Okay, now go to select the option you want to insert, first name, last name, press enter. Then designation, if you want to add that option, internal letters, memos, then address, then enter next address, LAN, etc. Press enter, then city plus, now press enter and cell number. Now make sure I have selected my required candidates. Okay, so I does not want to send the third one. Okay, now you can look what have you selected. Go to this preview option. Okay, add a space in first and last name. So clicking here it is, I press a space. Okay, now see first name, last name, addresses. You can even look different candidates, so you can make sure that right candidate will receive the right letter. Okay, now okay, go to printing. Now you want to print, finish, click on it. Now you want to select all the candidates, all option you have selected, or you can choose here. Press OK. You will print different candidates. Now do subscribe, like my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you.